Mud here. I'm outside Missoula, Montana at the Wheaton Labs for Permies.com for our appropriate technology class that just started today. And what we see coming down the hill is an electric tractor that sort of works and a Polaris electric Ranger that has always been difficult to manage. The tractor was going to pull the other one, just pulled the other one out of storage, and we'll use it to move around the Ranger while we figure out what we're going to do with the Ranger to make it work. This electric tractor has issues, but we're slowly trying to get them better. Rodney in the bright blue shirt is working with a small crew here to troubleshoot the EVs on the lab, and electric vehicles on the lab, and hopefully Frankenstein them into one that works. And we're really kind of excited to see what we end up with.